Hi everyone, welcome to Manik Artverse. Today I'm excited to take you on a journey through my recreation of one of the most iconic paintings in the world, the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. This painting has captivated viewers for centuries, so without further ado, let's dive into the process. I began with a light sketch, mapping out the proportions of her face, her delicate smile, and the classic posture that makes Mona Lisa so recognizable. Getting the initial sketch right is crucial, especially when working on a piece this well known. It's all about capturing the balance between structure and softness. Once the sketch was ready, I started blocking in the base colors. This step is like laying the foundation. It sets the tone for everything that comes next after the base layers dried.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
I began building up more layers of paint to bring out the details. The shading on her face and hands, the subtle glow in her expression, and the folds in her clothing all require patience and precision. It's all about slowly bringing the painting to life with each brushstroke. One of the most challenging yet rewarding parts of this recreation was her eyes. Leonardo da Vinci is famous for the mysterious gaze of the Mona Lisa. I spent extra time here to ensure the eyes remained soft yet full of expression. They're the windows to her soul.
Shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing.
After all, finally, I added the finishing touches, blending the background into her figure, refining the subtle textures, and enhancing the details in her hands and smile. The final step is always exciting because you get to see how all the effort comes together. And there you have it, my recreation of the Mona Lisa. It's been an incredible journey to pay tribute to such a historic masterpiece.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
If you enjoyed watching the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Manik Artverse for more art content. You can also check out my website for prints of my original artwork. Thanks for watching.